Sing the mommy song? Say mommy, mommy.
Mommy, mommy, mommy. Mommy, mommy, mommy. Mommy, mommy, mommy. Mommy. Mommy, say mommy, mommy.
Say mommy. Can you say no more monkeys?
Jump.
Mommy,
mommy.
let go.
Mommy, help.
Olivia, let go.
Stop, Olivia.
Let go.
Is it
You
night
ready
night
to go to
time?
bed?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Are you tired?
Show Mama. Yeah. Mama wants to see.
Olivia, can you sing You Are My Sunshine?
You are my sunshine.
Can
you sing Itsy Bitsy Spider? Watch the spider out. Up came the sun, it dried up all the rain, and the itsy bitsy spider climbed up the spout again.
Yeah.
Yay, good job.
Yeah.
Rain. Okay, can you, Olivia, say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
No, to me? To mommy?
Bye-bye.
Can you sing the mommy song? Mommy, mommy.
Mommy, mommy. Mommy, mommy.
Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye.
Look at mama, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say I love you. Olivia, can you say
We love her? Tell Mama.
Olivia, can you say I love you?
No, don't worry.
Bye.
Go to bed.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bye-bye.
Alright, night-night.
Good night.
I love you.
Bye-bye.
How does that taste? Does it taste better than the bread? Mmm. Oh, that don't taste so good.
Oh!
Yeah.
Ew. Gross. Gross.
That's funny. Ew. Ew. Olivia. Alright.
Gross.
I'm done. Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
I love you. Not listening.
Bye-bye.
Oh, bye.